Amma says, Ellie, please don't waste water. One day, Ellie losing Martin. And comes home after dinner. Look for water to bath. All the cats are crying. Mama, I will let it clean up just to wait till we break. Ellie sad. In the hard day,